Welcome to the Thomas and Friends Games World's Strongest Engine! Trampoline time! There will be a mini waiting at each end of the track, and the mini on the losing side will fall inside of a trampoline.
Ooh, a trampoline! That sounds like fun! A little dangerous, but fun!
Let's start off with some crash and repair engines. Salty versus Diesel 10.
This is very bouncy. I wish I could bounce again. Yes, like that. Thank you, my little human friend, for making me bounce again. Please don't step on me, though. Uh-oh, timber!
Way to fight back, Salty. Next up, SKARLOEY versus Gordon.
I hope you don't mind a ghost in your trampoline. Whoa, that was a nice move. When are you going to teach me that one? Hey, please don't kick me around. I'm not a soccer ball. Hey, watch it.
And now, SCRUFF versus Victor.
What is everyone doing in here? I have read the warning label, and it indicates that only one person is allowed on the trampoline at a time. It is too wild in here for me. I don't want my mechanical parts to break open all over the trampoline.
Finishing up the quarterfinals, HANDEL versus Paint Splattered Thomas.
All right, it's trampoline time now. I want to be bounced up really, really high. Ah! Attack of the scary foot! Excuse me, where do you think you're taking me? Oh, I get it. I've been slam dunked.
We've got 4 engines remaining as we go on to the semifinals, starting with Salty versus Gordon.
Hey, Creature Samson, are you having fun?
Salty goes on to the finals. Who will he face? SCRUFF or Sir Handel?
I'm on a trampoline. That's right.
Hey, what do you think you're doing with me? I see. Just making a basket, eh? Whoa! You missed, and now I'm out here all alone. Put me back in the trampoline. I was having fun.
Final round, Sir Handel versus Salty.
All this bouncing around reminds me of life out on the high seas when the waves keep crashing at you. I kinda like it. I miss being out on the ocean.
Sir Handel is the winner. If you like subscribers, you should be one.